This video is going to be a very quick guide with actionable steps on how to start blogging for affiliate marketing. Hi, my name is Fran from Create and Earn, and I'm about to teach you the step-by-step process on how to start blogging for affiliate marketing so you can actually build a passive income and get paid when you're not doing anything. I'm not going to dig deep into each of these steps because I have other videos that actually do so you can find those videos in this channel. Just remember to subscribe to this channel so you can find all those videos, be notified about others that I will be publishing in the future, and if at any moment you are receiving, you are finding value in this video, just remember to give it a thumbs up. It helps a lot to rank the video on YouTube as well. So, step number one is to find a niche and specify a topic, a very specific topic you want to talk about. Something that you really love, but and you need to be very specific about it, and you will understand why in a minute. Why does it need to be something you love? Because otherwise you will get tired about it, to talk about it. The first blog I ever created was a parenting blog. I taught stuff about how to raise a baby and a kid, but and it's a subject I do like to talk about, but I got tired of writing about it. So eventually I moved into this space, but because I didn't love the subject enough. So make sure that you are really passionate about it. It's something that you want to talk to your friends, you want to talk to everybody about it. And it's going to come naturally when creating the blog posts or whatever content you create, once it's something that you really love, something that you're really passionate about. So step number two is finding a product or products to promote as an affiliate. Why do I put finding a product as step number two? Because this, I think this is a step most people do later on, and then they are creating content that is not actually promoting their product. So this, once we start creating content already, knowing the product we want to promote, it's important. This content will all be working with the effect of selling that product, of promoting that product. So that's that content will have a lot more conversions, a lot more. It will give you a lot more commissions. So that blog post is more efficient for you. Also, you gain authority once you create a lot of content on the same subject. So we'll be creating clusters of content. That's why I said to specify the topic a lot. Now you have a product, so you have a very small cluster. It's important that this product is something that helps your audience. So you chose a topic, you know where the people who are looking who are interested in this topic, you know the problems they have, and you know what they need to do, how to solve their problems. So it's important that this product is something that helps them solve these these problems. Obviously, the content you will be creating will be aimed at helping them solve those problems, and the product is a helpful tool to solve those products. So it's something natural that they will need to buy. So that commission will come in naturally. So you're helping people find something that will help them. So don't just try to find something to promote something that gives you money. All right, with that product in mind, you're going to create a list of keywords. And here are a few tools you can use. So if you want to go and invest some money, you can use Ahrefs, which is amazing. I don't pay for Ahrefs every month, but what I do is you can create a trial with Ahrefs, which you still have to pay like $7. But this with 1 week of Ahrefs, or even in one day, if you're really dedicated, you can get a huge list of keywords that you can actually use for a whole year of content, of blog posts or more even. So this is if you want to go the paid route, and it's the most efficient one. But there are free tools that you can use, and I'm going to talk about those now. So you have Keyword Tool.io. It's also a free tool which you could just write the subject you want to talk about. So let's say you decided to promote baby carriers. So let's say you write baby carriers. in Keyword Tool.io, and you will get a list of questions people are asking around baby carriers. So this is the content you're going to create, is answering those questions. The problem with Keyword Tool.io is that the free version does not give you the search volume that exists around the keywords, and for that we have we will use Google Keyword Planner. So once you have your list from Keyword Tool.io, you grab that little keyword and you put it on Google Keyword Planner. You'll have to create a Google ad account, but you don't need to run an ad, and then you can use this. It gives you a little bit of an idea of the search volume for that keyword that you are going to be target or search term. Another tool that you can use, which at the moment it seems to be restricted to 3 searches per day, but it's very useful. It's Uber Suggest from Neil Patel. It's one of the best tools out there, but again, you have 3 searches per day for free. Then you would have to pay for it. So I mean, you could like every day do 3 searches instead of paying for it, or you can choose to pay for it if that's and get the pro version. So that's how you create your list of keywords, and then that's what you're going to be writing about. Now, step 4 is for each of these keywords. So let's say you've decided today you're going to write a blog post around, you've chosen the keyword you want to write. Put that keyword on Google search bar, and Google will give you a couple of boxes. One with the people also ask, and another one people also search for. So one is at the bottom of the page. These are questions people are asking around the same subject, and this is a trick I've used in my blog posts. This will give you subtopics to talk about within your blog post. So subheadlines, and these will help you rank on Google as well. So once you have the main topic you want to talk about, then you have those subheadlines, and then all you have to do is just start answering those questions, and you have a blog post. So that would be step number 6. So you write your blog post, and what you have to focus on. I mean, your aim should always be to write a really good piece of content, but the good content is not a good written by a good writer, an amazing writer. You just need to answer the questions that people are looking for on Google, and that's what Google is going to position in the search results. So if you use these 2 boxes and find some of those questions that you actually think that can fit in your main subject, you start answering those, then your blog post is very, very likely to rank eventually on the Google search results eventually. So now that you have your blog post written, you're going to add affiliate links to the product. You're going to do this naturally. So if you write a blog post on the 10 best baby carriers, obviously you say, okay, this is the baby carrier number 1, and here's the link to that if you want to buy it. So that's a natural way to introduce your link, and obviously people will be thankful to have a way to find that. Remember to always mention that this is an affiliate link. It's mandatory. You have to tell them that, and don't think people will be put off by that. They won't. Most of the time they will even make sure they click on your link just for you to get the commission, because they are thankful for your content. If you're actually helping them find a solution to something. So this is a guide to blogging for affiliate marketing to help you start blogging. If you don't want to do all of this manually, there is actually a very good training that I will leave you a link below. And you see what I'm doing here, this is the exact same thing you have to do. I will leave a link below to this training that you can follow with all the steps to start blogging and for affiliate marketing. So actually, if you follow that, it's a free training. You can start it for free. Eventually there is a premium membership that you can pay for, but there's no like upsells or anything. There's just that. And it's a huge community that helps you. You can ask questions to them or to me, and you can it has lessons like lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3 on how to start your actual blog and to rank your blog posts in Google. But following this method, I'm sure that I'm teaching here, I'm sure you can do it really fast. I've been doing this for a few years, and I've managed to actually create this system that works really well. Another thing you need to keep in mind that Google takes time to actually build up your authority around the subject. So make sure you stick to the same subject as specific as you can. And so let's stay, we were talking about the baby carriers. Keep talking about baby carriers until you actually have a few pieces of content around baby carriers. Let's say 20 blog posts. So Google knows that you are somebody that knows about that. So authority is one of the most important factors on to rank a blog post nowadays. So you'd be adding affiliate links in a logical way, right? Eventually, and if you want to start straight away with this, but it complicates a lot the system, but eventually you would add a bridge page that will also build your email list as people find the products. As instead of driving the person straight away from your blog post to your affiliate link, you would pass them through a bridge page that brings them to your email list and then to the product. I will leave a card here for you to follow if you want to see how to build one of these bridge pages. Most of the times with some affiliate products, this is really easy. They have everything for you. You just need to build the actual page and people will subscribe to your email list and they will still buy the product. These pages most of the times actually help them buy the product. I also have a little guide with templates on, so if you want to start building your email list straight away, or if you already have an email list, I have a little guide with templates on the welcome emails I use to turn people into actually paying subscribers. And so just find the link below and you can download that guide. It's very helpful. And the templates, you can just copy paste them. So now that your blog post is ready, you just publish your blog. You just publish your post, your article, and you are ready to start over. You publish and you go over and you go back and you do the whole process. All right, not everything. You already have your niche. You already have your list of keywords. You grab another one of those keywords. You put them in Google and you create another piece of content. And the more you create, the more Google starts to give you authority, and eventually you will rank every single piece of content really fast. So this has a compound effect. In the beginning it's really hard to start, but then it starts to build up upon itself, and all these blog posts will be working for you and will be building up that affiliate income for you. So they will be found on Google, and the more blog posts you have, the more of them will be found. They will be bringing traffic. People will be clicking your links, and that's commissions you get without doing anything else. And that's it. Again, if you found this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to keep learning how to build your passive income. For now, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.